Tired of having to watch stupid ads on YouTube? Or had an ad blocker that assisted you in skipping ads, but now sadly YouTube gets around that? Well, there is still hope for us. Currently, uBlock extension for Firefox allows us to still bypass watching ads on YouTube. As you can clearly see here, with the ad block extension on, I am not seeing any ads play on YouTube. I also don't get any warnings from YouTube that I need to turn off my ad blocker to continue to watch videos. I am not paid or sponsored by uBlock. It's a free extension that anyone can install and use. So why not give this a shot? If, however, that warning does appear, you can simply turn off the ad blocker and start watching the ad that plays, and right before it finishes, turn it back on. If done correctly, YouTube for the rest of your free time watching videos will never play another ad. I came across this while using a Google Chrome ad blocker as another tip to get around it. If you want to see a video on that real quick, just comment below and I will create that as well. Happy ad blocking!